Good morning children. Welcome to SST class. Children, now we'll discuss about chapter 16, that is Delhi. So children, open your book and see page number 91. Children, you know Delhi is the capital city of India. It is built on the bank of the river Yamuna. It is officially called the National Capital Territory of India. So, which is the National Capital of India? Delhi is the National Capital of India. Okay. It is the largest metropolitan city of the country with the second largest population. It is surrounded by Uttar Pradesh on the east and by Haryana on the other three sides. Then climate. Delhi has an extreme type of climate. Summers are very hot here. Hot winds called Lu blow during this season. Winters are very cold. It rains in the months of July and August. Then history. Delhi has a strong historical background. It was ruled by some of the most powerful emperors in Indian history. Later, the city came under the British rule. After independence in 1947, New Delhi was officially declared as the capital of India. Then government. Delhi is the seat of administration. The main offices of the government of India are located in the capital Delhi or capital city Delhi. The President of India lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. The Prime Minister and the other important ministers have their offices at the Central Secretariat. The Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha hold their meetings at the Parliament House. The Supreme Court of India is also located in New Delhi. The offices of other countries called embassies have their offices in Delhi. The Municipal Corporation of Delhi looks after the civic requirements such as maintenance of roads, sewage, garbage disposal. Then comes to tourist attractions. Delhi has many historical monuments, religious buildings and other places worth visiting. Tourists from all over the world and different parts of the country visit these places. India Gate was built in the memory of soldiers who sacrificed their lives for the country's freedom. The Amar Jawan Jyoti burns here in the memory of these soldiers. Then, Rashtrapati Bhavan is situated on the Rasiana Hill. Okay, you remember. It is the official residence of the President of India. The Red Fort for the Lal Killa was built by Shah Jahan. So, children, you remember Shah Jahan built the Lal Killa. Okay, the Red Fort or the Lal Killa. It was the residence of Mughal emperors Diwan-e-Khas, Humans, Moti Masjid and Khas Mahal are the part of the Red Fort. Then Jama Masjid is the largest mosque of India. Children, you remember? Jama Masjid is the largest mosque of India. It was built by Shah Jahan. The Rajghat is the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. Then Qutub Minar was built by Qutbuddin Aybak. Here also lies the famous iron pillar that is many years old but has not rusted. Other interesting places to visit in Delhi are the Lotus Temple, Jantar Mantar, Birla Mandir, Bangla Sahib, Nehru Planetarium, Akshardham Temple and Pragati Maidan. So these are the interesting places in Delhi. Then transport. Now we will discuss about transport system in Delhi. Delhi has one of India's largest bus transport system. Buses are the most popular means of transport, catering to about 60% of the total demand. Rail transport in the city has become very popular with the introduction of Delhi Metro. Delhi is also connected to the whole of the nation through Indian Railways. New Delhi railway station is one of the busiest stations. Other railway stations are Old City Railway Station, Hazrat Nizamuddin Railway Station, Sarai Rohila and Anand Vihar Railway Terminals, the Indira Gandhi International Airport serves Delhi for both domestic and international connections. Then culture. Delhi is a cosmopolitan city with a rich and diverse culture, means mixed cultures are there. It is often referred to as mini India because people from all parts of the country live here. All major festivals of India are celebrated here. Hindi is spoken by most of the people. Urdu, Punjabi and English are the other common languages here. The traditional dresses of men is kurta paisama, while it is salwar kameez for women. However, the young boys and girls wear modern dresses. In Delhi, you have people belonging to different religions, but there is peace and harmony. It is everybody's city. So children, now you get some idea about Delhi. Again you read this chapter at your home. And also remember this important sentence. Delhi is the national capital of India and is one of the 4 metropolitan cities of the country. Delhi has an extreme type of climate. Delhi became the capital of independent India in 1947. Then tourists from all over the world come to Delhi to visit monuments, buildings and other places. Okay, these are the important sentences you have to remember and also practice these keywords. What is metropolitan city? Means a large city. Then what is cosmopolitan city? Sewage, domestic. Okay, so these are your practice. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.